Hey guys, Charlie with Highland Rigs here with our 2026 upgraded Chino model. Excited to show you guys some changes and upgrades that we made. So why don't you hop on in and we'll take a tour. First thing you see when you step in the van is our Tetravan shower system. Folds out right out of the wall. Here's your shower pan. You step in, curtain comes up around you. Use the wand to shower off. We really like this system because of the space efficiency of it. It takes up 7 inches in your countertop for something that you're gonna use 5, maybe 10 minutes in a day. So we really like that. Again, you come here, we have our swivel seat, so you can hang out, work right here, keep the door open, the windows slid open, and just relax right here. As we move here, this is an option that we have in all of our Chino builds, is our closet wardrobe. So you got your hanging rack here, drawer space below. Really a lot of space for clothes, for towels, for linens, for anything that you may need it for. As you step into the kitchen, first thing you'll see is our Dometic AC unit. That's a rooftop unit. And then you have your Dometic refrigerator here. Both of these run off 12 volt. They're super energy efficient, which is one of the main reasons we like them. Here you have your induction cooktop. This client wanted it inset into the countertop. Some clients don't. They would rather be able to stow it in one of these cabinets here and then pull it out when they need it and plug it in. That's client preference for us. It doesn't make a difference. Whichever makes the client happier is what makes us happier. Turn back to the passenger side, you got your deep water sink, regular tap there, and then your drinking water tap here. It's on a 3-stage filter system. Your water pump switch right over the sink for super convenient access. You got your drying rack, also a cutting board that fits perfectly in here. Saves a lot of counter space that way. And then of course an outlet here for just convenience for anything you need to plug in. Above the sink on the passenger sliding door, really cool slider window that opens up here. Let some fresh air in, air out the cabin, but also it has a bug screen there and a blackout screen here. We really like this window style. It's a great upgrade that we think you get a lot of bang for your buck from. Beneath the sink, you have a little bit of storage in the cabinets. And then also our pull-out toilet here. This is a composting toilet, but any self-contained type toilet is compatible with this build. Over here we have our control panel and light panels. All of our lights are on dimmers, so you can have some cool ambient lights that you can change based on the time of day. Your control panel here gives you the thermostat, control to all of your heating, your hydronic heated floor system, your hot water heater, anything you need can be controlled right here. And then your inverter switch is just conveniently located right below this counter.
Onto the back of the van, we still kept a lot of the original Chino features, like the Happy Jack bed lift. We love the ability to be able to drop the bed whenever you want, like so. And then having the ability to also have a place to just sit, hang out, eat, enjoy dinner, work, whatever it may be. Another thing that we kept the same are these bench seats in the back. Now you still have your Lagoon table mount in the back, but you can sit, eat, work, hang out, enjoy dinner, enjoy friends, play games, whatever it may be. And then the benches also, they still fold out into a bed. So you have the ability to sit in the day. If you have friends over or if you have people traveling with you, this also folds out into bed. So you've got your double queen size bunk beds. Under the driver's side bench here, you have your full electrical system. You've got 980 amp hours of battery, 3000 watt inverter, 400 watts of solar on the roof, and a 50 amp DC charger. This thing is meant to be fully off-grid still, fully off-grid capable, and that's how we want it to be. We want you to be just not worrying about power whatsoever. So, and then coming to the other side, you've got your whole plumbing system. You've got 36 gallons of water, an 11-gallon gray water tank, and then of course your hydronic heated system. So you've got hydronic heated floors, hydronic air, and heated water from that whole system. And that's what you control from this panel right here. On this updated model, one of the things that we really strive to do was minimize the electrical footprint inside this van. So under this bench seat, we got smaller batteries with bigger capacity, and we also got better at our wiring. So now you have extra storage all throughout the back. It's super spacious and you can store a ton of things.
As we move to the very back of the van, you see the most visible update from 2025 Chino to the 2026 is the gear closet on the whole back rather than the side of the van. We went with a super durable rubber material that's gonna hold up for the long term. We kept our Apex air compressor system right here. So good for cleaning out, airing up bike tires, doing anything that you would need an air compressor to do. We upgraded our switch plate here. So you have your air compressor switch, you have your 360 pod light switch, and then you also have your light switch there to control those lights. Gravity grabbers here. This particular build was designed for an avid skier, and so gravity grabbers were the best utility to match what she was looking for. But that's really plug and play. We can put anything in there that would fit the activities and things that any client would be doing. On this side, again, we have our exterior shower, same style wand that doubles as a hose, so you can wash off back here as well as shower. Easy to throw a magnetic curtain up on the back doors for some privacy.
On the exterior of this van, we now have upgraded KO3 tires and new rims. The KO3 tires are still the same, but a little bit bigger. On the roof of our van, we still have our premium Unaka roof rack. We've now upgraded our pod lights to 360-degree lighting, and we have a 44-inch light bar up at the top. Thank you guys for coming along this tour and seeing our new Chino 2026 updated model. Excited to get you guys on the road.